Hello, guys, and welcome back to our series all about Wix invoices and price quotes. Today, we're going to learn how to change your currency and payment terms. Let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to the left and go to Settings. Under the Finance and Payments section, go to Getting Paid. Here on the General tab, click the Currency dropdown and select the currency you'd like to use. Click the Default Payment Terms dropdown and select the relevant payment terms you prefer. You can select from preset ones here, or you can set a new custom term. The changes you made will automatically be saved. So there's no need to click on a Save button. And that's it. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.